Land Rover Defender front grille strip. Today is our topic of discussion and debate. So, on the Land Rover Defender, this was silver, cerise silver, I believe they called it, when we bought our car. But the Model X, that's right, the Model X had this, I've forgotten what they call it now. Was it Starlight Satin Chrome or something? It had, I think it was actually, I think I got that right. So it had this sort of, and it's a sort of, how would you describe that, Tyler? Coppery, dark chrome, shadow chrome, Atlas shadow chrome it might be called. But it's got a sort of browny tint to it, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's quite tricky to come off on the camera.
And it's nice. Now, to fit this, we have done the video, and I will put the up there. And it is a little in depth. You have to take out the bonnet and the slam panel. And we thought it would be good if you wanted to put a cover on this to change the colour or protect it, because this might get a load of flies and stuff. Now be careful, word of warning, be careful children. This here, on most cars, I'm going to say all of them, there is a radar mounted behind here, and this badge is like a super transparent to radar thing, and it looks at the road ahead, and it helps you with your adaptive cruise control and your emergency braking and things. So you do not want to go covering or restricting the vision of this thing here. So what have we come up with, Tyler? Now, you could get on an option when you order a Land Rover, you can get a black pack. So you might be lucky enough to have this black thing. But Land Rover do not seem to supply this on their parts catalogue in black. I cannot find it. So I don't know what happens if you've got a black pack one and you have an accident or you get it scratched. I'm not sure. I can't find the part number for that. But fear not, because you can put a protective cover on it. There we go. And we have got these, and we've got these done in gloss black and primer, so you can get it done whatever colour you like. And this sort of matte satin black, which is it's quite nice actually. Oh gosh, right, matches that. I'm going to go glossy black because that's the kind of boy I am. Right, so what have we designed? So this is, everyone's worked it out, it's a cover that goes on. But it's not just stick on, we're trying to get cleverer. So it has got this, can you catch that there, Tyler? Can you see that little sort of hook it's got on the end of that? Yeah, and also here there's a little hooky bit there. It's always hard on black. So the idea is that it fits over and it half clips on. So it's got a series of clips and double-sided tape. Right, hold on. So it's going to go on. Now actually it grips. This is going to be one of the products I'm going to say don't trial fit it, because the clips are so good. It will grab it and you'll be fighting to get it off. So you can just check it seems to be the right for your car and check you like the look of it, but do not push it on. Right. Alcohol wipe, just to clean off the thing there. Right, and while that's drying, right, what's the double-sided tape like today? Sometimes we're lucky with the tape, and sometimes it's a bit. Oh, it's coming.
You need nails.
Do you need nails? Impact. Because it does clip on pretty well. Right then. Here we go. Get it the right way around. The badge. And it should line itself up, and it should. That is it. It is as easy as that. And there you have gloss black Land Rover front grille upgrade. Good luck with that. Right, we've got these in primer, and we can make these, but if you would like these body colour or another colour, let us know, and we will get these. We'll get a batch sent off to our friendly painters, and it's much cheaper for us to get a batch done than you guys to get them done individually. So if you think they would look good body colour, let us know and we'll get some done.